Got it. Mic check. Let's get a mic check real quick here. We're good up on the mic check. Good up on the mic check. I need that link. Let's get this link real quick here. Good morning, 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 good morning. That link did not, I figured that was gonna happen. I figured that was gonna happen with that link not showing up like that. All right. Got that one. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Stop Twit. I'm hungry. I am hungry. My wife asked me what did I want to eat all morning, and I just didn't say anything. She looked at me. She was like, "Why are you like that? Why don't you want anything to eat? You're a big, strong, handsome man." But I just didn't want anything to eat. Did I? Was that posted? Yes, it was posted. So we're good to go on that one. 10, 15 people, I'll be answering any questions, anything anybody has. Like when it comes to questions, I would come back and I would look at the YouTube channel if I have any questions. If not, I'm not going to look at it. I very seldom look at that. I rather kind of stay focused on trading. 10 o'clock, just hit the board. Let's boost up what we got going on today. That one already hit, but we're going to pay close attention to this one. We got another price right here at 46. That looks good. This one actually knocked out our prices, so we can get rid of that one. That one actually jumped up and knocked that one out. We can actually scalp this one, but it's just too risky. We want to stay on the downside with this one. A lot of times we want to stay where the high probability is definitely at. I know with Nadex, we can kind of gamble just a little bit more if we trade Nadex, but I'm gonna try my best to stay away from that gambling situation. I'd rather us stay exactly where we're at. The indices still got a lot of down movement. So even though they're pulling up right now, they're going up, it still has a lot of down movement on the downside. So if we do take anything on the indices, it's definitely going to be a sell. For those that are new, make sure y'all click, like, subscribe. The more clicks, more likes, subscribers I get, the more I can do these videos. We're definitely going to look at, like Ann Ark said, was that knockout with Nadex. That was actually a good program, especially with, if you were here yesterday on this CL, you could have really made some good money on that knockout and on that ES. Because remember, yesterday we kept calling that ES is going to get down to that 42, 46. Am I right? That's what we kept saying, 42, 46. We kept saying that was going to happen, or was it 43, 46? It was one of them, but it hit. And if we was trading those knockouts on this one, that one definitely that would have been really some really good money at the time, because we did look at it, but I just don't know anything about knockouts. I did take Anarch's advice, Anarch Trader, and I did look into it a lot, and it was very interesting. So let's get down to what we got going on today. I'm gonna have to update some of these charts real quick. One that we definitely want to keep an eye on right now is Forex. For right now, we will always switch up. We're going with the ones with the best price levels. That looks damn good, people. Man, 11 o'clock. That looks really good. Let's see, can we find a pull-up price on that one? Let me update the charts on that real quick. We need to, oh, hell no, we can't take that one. Hell no. That thing is in we're gonna wait on that one. That's definitely gonna be one that we will be taking in consideration. But like I said, for those that are new here, anytime we're in this gray area, that's just basically the scalping area. When I'm doing live recording, I try my best not to get y'all in any trades in that area. We want to stay at that area. We want to put the higher percentage in this area here. If we get in this area and stay with the buy on US yen, we got a better chance. Even if we do make a mistake, we still have a very high chance that trade will still go into profit. And that's up to me to try to figure out whether that trade is going to be doing what it's supposed to do. Right now, this just doesn't look good to buy it. We got a very strong price. We got a price at 46, I said. So that's something we definitely going to consider taking consideration on that one. Keep an eye on that one, definitely. That looks really good, man. And like I said, I'm going to try my best not to take any gamble trades while y'all are here, that is. If I'm going to take a gamble, I don't like for people to lose money. I really, truly don't. Let's look at that knockout on that price. I'm just curious. Since Anarch brought that up, that was pretty, I guess it's kind of late now because these things are. So you can make 18, but you're risking 57. Don't like those risks. But then again, today is the last day, so that's going to get up there. So let's put the price that we have right now, which is at 36. We have a 36, we have a 32, but we have a 36 that it should get up there. It did miss a good trigger on this one. So we'll just put a line right here. Let's put it at 33, that'll split the difference. So we want to keep an eye on that line right there today. That's a good line. That's a really good line. It's just not set up to hit it right now. We wanted, like I said, we're going to try our best. We're on a great pace, people. We're on a great pace, especially for the people who've been here for the last 2 days. So we don't want to ruin that. So we want to stay right there. So we know right now we got a good price right here sitting at a 46. I said we're going to slim it down. Oh man, I knew that was going to happen. I was trying my best not to. So we put it at 33. We know that's a good price to hit, which is at 33. But it's just not set up for it right now, people. So, and it's in that area. We don't want to trade that area. Next one we're going to go to is I'm going to take a good look at YM, because those indices still got a lot of down pressure. Okay, we missed the target on YM, but we couldn't have traded because we will not trade openings. I want to bring up that YM as well. And this is the reason why we don't trade in that area, because once again, I hate to keep, saying the same thing, but if you've been here and been watching me trade for a while, you know how I trade. We try our best. Uh-oh, I got to erase something here. All right, let me get to that in a minute. We try our best to stay out of this area. So if I have, like on these sheets right here, If I say this is on a downtrend the way it is right here, that's the only trades we're ever going to take. We're never going to go against that because I do a lot of prep work. So if I say this is a very seldom with these change, we will only change them daily though. We will never change them weekly. We will only change them daily. So if you see me and if I say this thing is on a downtrend, we're going to stay with that. If I say this on an uptrend, we're going to stay with that. Those are the only positions that we're going to look at. We're not going to take no other positions other than that. So we definitely going to stay on a downtrend of these right here, YM, but we're going to look at Euro USD, USD yen. That's going to be our main trade, the one that we're going to stay focused on, because like I said, hey, is there a way to put a line on this page? I guess it was. I guess I could just put it on here, huh? Can I make it bigger? I want it thick. So we want to keep an eye on that line, man. That's a great line. That's a great line on them. Man. That right there looks really good. It looks really good. And it's at the price point that we want to be at. This one looks better. Oh, man, okay, we'll wait. It's Friday, so the market could be moving a little slower than usual. Okay, I'm updating the charts now to see exactly what we're going to be. At 10:15, people, I check the messages and see if anybody got any messages and so forth. Man, we have been good already on that one. Yeah. Yep. Man, that one looks really good. It's just not set up. If it was set up, man, I would try my best not to gamble with y'all, man. And it's still in that area. We don't want it in that area for nothing in the world. Let's go to NQ. Let's go to ES and NQ, ES and NQ. Those still got down pressure. You definitely won't be trading at the moment. ES, unless something changes drastically. So while we on the East, let's go with Euro USD. See what we got going on here. That one doesn't look too good either. It did miss a price way down on the bottom, so that's still good. That's really good. Hold on one second. Man, that was a good trade. But like I said, I'm gonna try my best not to put y'all into any doubt situations. We still want to come back and hit that one. That one's definitely right now the cream of the crop right now as we speak. We definitely probably gonna be done. It's Friday. We'll call it a short day and resume back on Monday. So Euro USD, we won't be touching that one. We won't be touching that one with a 10-foot pole. ES we may, even though it's not set up, but it still got the pressure on the downside. So we're good that way. It is set up to go down. It just haven't given us the price that we need. So let's go to gold. Oh, gold looks good to go back down. Gold looks good. Look, this is the problem right here. And when you're trading, these are things you have to worry about. You see that gap? See how that gold is trying to get back up there to that gap. So we want to, we really don't too much care about the gap, but we are going to be, concerned about it. That gap is real close, but that's good. We want this to happen because in the process of this happening, it may create a price level somewhere in this area. And that's what we're looking for anyway. So gold would definitely be another factor. That could be a factor in this race, as Jeff Emmett would say. Let me look at pound USD. And these are the ones we're going through, people. So we know we're sitting good here for a trade there. This one got a good up scalping, but that's just too risky for us to take. And I need to get to that one next and really break that one. Damn, it went up too. Shit. It knocked it out. It knocked it out already. See there? See, it already flew up. It already flew up. Yeah. Still got a lot more up pressure on that one, man. I don't like it at all. That one's just too risky, man. Like I said, you know, if y'all weren't watching, some trades I will take, you know, off to the side, but I'm trying my best, since people are watching, not to give them trades that are, or you know, that are suspect. I want to give you solid trades. I'm gonna give you only solid trades that has error for, you know, room for error. Man, that thing, man, let's get back to that real quick. I want to show you something. Just like I said, it was way too risky to take that one. It had a missing trigger. So we're going to talk about it, which we just did. But see, you have to be able to see those type of things, people. When you're trading, you have to be able to know how that market is going to move. You have to be able to say, okay, there's something that's sitting here that could be a question or a problem. The price was actually somewhere in this area, but you have to be able to look at those charts and say that, and know that when you're in a situation and that thing starts to get into your question zone, your scalping zone, you got to know where that market is going. You have to know where that market is going. So when this market gets up in this area right here, we have to start questioning. Oh, ES just created a nice price. We have to question it. We have to question what's going on. We don't want to be in that area. I'm telling you, we want to stay away from that area, especially with, you know, with people are trying to put real money on the line. I try my best. You know, I feel comfortable trading Nadex because then I know I'm not going to risk that much of your money. That's one thing. But with that said, it did create a price back at 401. So that could come back into be a factor, you know. So this could come back into be a factor, because that's what we want to. We rather take this one on the downside than scalp anything up. Okay, I said I was going to answer questions at 15 and I'm a minute behind. So yeah, I'm recording. Nobody's in here today. My wife said if nobody's in here, I got to stop recording. Oh, that you? Oh, nobody showed up today. My wife just came in and told me. She said, if nobody showed up today, we got to stop recording. Damn, this thing turned out to be really good. Okay. Well, we got a question. Hold on.
No, I'm just checking it for you.
It's Friday. It's probably, you know, my wife said she want to go shopping. She said, y'all didn't show up. Now, I'm going to tell you now, y'all better click like and subscribe. Y'all want me to keep doing these videos. My wife said, hey, if nobody showed up. She came in here. She the boss. If she comes in here and doesn't like to click like, subscribe, as my son would say, and share the love. Okay, so let me see. We got nobody. Everybody probably called it a day on Friday. Today, Friday. A lot of people just probably down in it, you know. Man, that thing really went up there for us, man. Oh, well, I mean, that happens, people. You know, I'm not mad about it. It happens, you know. It was just in that area. I can't get y'all to trade in certain areas especially with your money on the line. That's just not the type of person I am. If I'm going to tell you to take if I'm going to tell you to take a trade, it's going to be a good trade. There's not going to be any trade with questions. Try to get one trade out before the day's done. Then once I get that one trade out, I'll go ahead and call it quits since nobody showed up today. It's Friday. I kind of anticipated that in a way. A lot of people really don't like trading on Fridays. What time is it? This is actually a good trade. What we got on CAD? Got CAD. CAD actually just set up pretty good. CAD just set up pretty good. It's set up to go up to hit that 2786. $27.86. That's actually a good trade. 27.86. It's actually a good trade, people. It might not happen right now, though. What's this? That looks good to damn buy. I just want to click and see what happened if I would have bought it at 28. We'll come back to it. What up, Ant? What up, Ant Art? Man, did you see that trade we talked about yesterday with that crew? Oh man, you're right. I am muted. Oh man, glad. Good catch, man. I was talking and talking. Man, you're right. I was saying that there's a 950 that's sitting on that NQ. I was muted the whole time and I was looking at those prices. There's a 950 sitting on NQ today. Damn, that damn thing is getting down there already. Man. Sure is. It's already starting to get down there. Yep. And this keeps saying higher. I don't want this to finish higher. I want it to finish lower. Yeah, so we'd have been good on that one. I mean, we'd have made, $3 or $4. I mean, I don't know, but 10%, that ain't bad. I'd take it. I would have taken it. Looking for a better trade though. I did not know I was muted. All right, our best trade is stay with the Forex today so far. This one is still the best trade. I mean, even though it's surpassed that price, it's still got a lot of up potential on that trade. So we can get a pull-up price on that one. That'd be the trade we'd take. I mean, it's already hit that price, but there's still a lot more left in the tank on this one. So we definitely can take that one up. It's still a lot more tank to get up here to get to that 46. So take out that wick at least. So that's something that we can still take in consideration. I'm be cutting this video short today. Me and my wife gonna go shopping. There's still a good line right there. That's it right there, good price level. If we can find a puller price, a puller price right there, PP puller price. We get one of those in that situation, we'll probably take it up. The hour is still close. It's getting out the area, which is good. So that's exactly what we want to see it to continue on, to get back in that continuation on that one. So we'll come back to that one as well. I mean, I might not finish this video, just me and you here, and Art, and and that NQ dropped way down there. And I said there was a price down there at that 50. It's definitely going for it now. It's gonna set up to hit it now. It's set up to hit it now. Yeah, set up to hit it now. Hit it. That's 60 or 50. That was 60. So that 50 is right. Oh, it did hit it. That's the low one there. Yeah, 48. So it did hit it. Man, that sucks. It is what it is, though. Let me see how many people watching this. I need more people to watch these things, man. Okay, yeah. Well, just me and you. Hey, man, I'm gonna cut this video short. I don't have enough people in here today to stay with it. I wanted to get one trade in. I really, really wanted to get one of them in. Let me double check it real quick. I hate walking away so quick without, without giving them one trade. Something I will live for. We got to watch this one, CL. We'll watch this one. Man. That's a good price too. That's a good price right there to hit that 20. They hit that 26. There's a price sitting right there to hit that 26. There's a price up there to hit that 26. There's a price up to hit 26. It's gonna be the only one I'm gonna take today. Let's see what we got going on. Be the only one I'm gonna take. Yeah, it's kind of quiet. I figured that on Friday. I figured that's going to be a little quiet. I'm gonna stop this video once this going to profit and be done with it. I got what 30, 25 minutes on this one. Didn't expect it to go that low, but still looks pretty good to get back up there. I mean, I just don't know how the time going to work on it. Especially with it so far out the money. I wish these things had a take profit, you know, I mean, not take profit, but stop loss. Because once it broke even, I just would have just let it go. A second here. How many minutes I got on this trade here? Let me see how many minutes I got on it. 20 minutes. Not looking good now. Spike down on me. Not looking good. Not looking good. Be right back. And that one dropped hard. I don't see it coming back up now. I'm not gonna miss that one. I don't see that one coming back up. Not no 15 minutes. I don't see it coming back up, not no 15 minutes. Trying to figure out, should I kill it? You still walk away with $10 in your pocket off of it. Let me see. Let me look at it again. That thing dropped pretty good on us. Probably gonna kill it. Let's see. That's what we was hoping it to get back up to this spot, this 11. That's what we was anticipating, not for it to do that. You know, definitely not to come back down here and hit that, but just get back up to this 11. That's been way overridden now. That hour, most time, you know, we can enter a trade roughly in this area. Most time we can kind of enter a trade in this area, especially if we see a puller price up in here. If we see a puller price in here, we can kind of enter this trade. It should have at least came right there. And definitely we probably would have took the money and got out, or you could have let it ride because we got the price, which is right here. So we got a good price. That's definitely my mistake, because it was already overridden just a little bit. I'm glad I entered it there. Most time I try to enter here, but it is what it happens. So it happens. That's why I try my best to stay under $40, because $40 is something that, you know, we can always make back up. That's not a hard task. When you start talking about $500 or $600, now we got an issue. We got a problem. You know, some people can't recover from those type of things like that. You know, if we kill it now, we can still walk out the door with $20. It's coming back up though, but I don't know. It still looks good. Kill it right now. That'd be only a $26 loss. We can recover from that. Yeah, let's get out of that trade. Let's kill it. Kill it. We killed it. All right, I'm gonna see y'all Friday. All right, we're gonna come back and check these trades out. I mean Monday. Sorry about that. Monday. All right, see y'all. All right, Anart.